Let's make this beehive cake. Starting out with a Betty Crocker mix, we add butter, eggs, 3 eggs, milk, stir it up, add the batter into your form. I'm using one from Williams-Sonoma, and bake it. And this was the moment of truth, of course. And guess what? Oh no! Oh man. Obviously, we're not just gonna throw it away, so we'll just add some chocolate and set it in there. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's actually... Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, it's a little bit cracked, but look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. I made it because you saw it cracked. But we're not gonna just give up, okay? And here I'm just adding some gold drip all around it, which was so adorable. And the final touch, I think it's called a honey swirler. And here's the final product. Thanks for watching.